Meanwhile, the PNP dismissed the rumors of a coup plot against the Aquino administration. It says no such plan has been confirmed. Alvin Baltazar with the details.
The Philippine National Police leadership firmly stated that they have no information pertaining to the alleged movement of a group which aims to topple the present administration. According to PNP PIO Chief and Police Chief Superintendent Generoso Serbo, they surely could easily determine the so-called coup if there is such a thing. But then, Serbo said that though such information has no confirmation, there is no reason for them to disregard such report, saying that they cannot compromise the country's national security.
Mararamdaman namin yan at ibig sabihin, mamomonitor namin mahirap ibig sabihin. Merong sisingaw yan Pero yun nga, masasabi ko sa inyo ng tahasan. Sa ngayon, wala kaming ganyang information, wala kaming mga activities na namomonitor within the Philippine National Police leading towards yung ganyang pagkilos.
The official also assures that the entire police force is solidly behind the country's leadership following the bloody Mamasapano encounter. Serbo said that they cannot avoid to feel the grief over the loss of their men, but set aside the possibility that their Special Action Force troop site get disgruntled.
We are in the state of mourning, una-una. So nararamdaman namin lahat yun. Pero yung sabihin natin, disgruntled doon. Na then may ko-connect natin sa isang pag-aaklas, wala kaming nakikitang ganyan.
OIC PNP Deputy Director General Leonardo Espina, right after the Mamasapano operation, assured that the entire strong force of the PNP remains united in supporting the governance of President Benigno Simeon Aquino. Yesterday, Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago uncovered the alleged coup plot and that a rich unknown personality reportedly will be financing the said uprising.